everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a deep cleaning of my refrigerator. Like, if you're looking for inspiration on how to clean and organize your refrigerator no matter how bad it looks, this video is definitely for you, because I'm going to share some cleaning secrets I use all the time. Like, it's so easy, it's time saving, and you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, because oh my gosh, it's so helpful, I promise. Okay, so the first tip I want to give when you know you want to deep clean your refrigerator is to go ahead and just turn it off, because my refrigerator has this kind of alarm or sound it makes. Like, if I leave my refrigerator on for maybe few seconds, it starts beeping, and that can be so annoying. So I just go ahead and off the refrigerator totally. Like, this deep cleaning is probably going to take like 30 minutes to do. So of course, when I go ahead and switch off my refrigerator, as you all can see, inside my refrigerator is a mess. So the very first thing I go ahead and do is to remove everything off of the refrigerator. As you all can see, like, I clean my refrigerator every month, and when I do that, I love to like section everything off. But then within the month, as we are using the refrigerator, the kits, everything, just gets dismantled. Everything just gets, all scattered inside the refrigerator. And as you all can see, this refrigerator is like really dirty. I was like, it's not that bad, until I pulled out one of the storage units. I was like, oh my gosh, I guess one of the twins or the kids, they spilled Fanta inside of the refrigerator, and of course it ended up settling. As you all can see, it ended up settling in there. But not to worry, we're gonna get rid of this like in a second. But I just go ahead and remove all the compartments off of the refrigerator. You guys, honestly speaking, cleaning my refrigerator is not like the best job I love to do, guys. Like, I don't like cleaning my refrigerator before, until I discovered this particular gadget right here. This is the bezel steam shot. I picked it up from Amazon, you guys, and oh my gosh, like, how sometimes you get kind of food particles and food spills and things like that all stuck in the refrigerator, and when you try to clean those things, it can be really annoying. It takes a lot of time to clean. But you guys, you're gonna see the magic this particular gadget does. All you need to do is just to go ahead and fill it up. You want to put like your favorite soap, whatever detergent you want to use, you put it in there, and then you kind of feed water inside the machine until it gets full. You can also add some essential oil if you want. But you guys, this right here, OMG, this is basically a steamer, guys. Like, once you put your detergent and also water, you put it on, of course, and then you leave it for maybe 2 minutes to get hot. As you all can see, what this actually produces is hot steam, and this kind of, I don't even know how to explain it, guys. Like, it just dissolves whatever dirt you have in your refrigerator, no matter how stuck on the refrigerator the dirt is, you guys. Like, look at this. Like, once you just focus on the particular dirt, you just on the heat, just the heat. Look at this, you guys. Can you see how it's like scraping the Fanta inside my refrigerator? Oh my gosh, I mean, this gets rid of any and everything in your refrigerator. You guys, you know now, like if you clean your refrigerator, you know how annoying all those stock on dirt can be. But this particular steam, it just dissolves everything. And of course, you guys know I'm gonna link it right in my description box, because this right here, like, it made my refrigerator cleaning very, very fun now. Unlike before, I used to kind of dread it. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna clean it this week, and then by the next week I will say the upper week. But yeah, this right here is a lifesaver. So basically what I do is I dissolve the dirt, and then I go in with this brush right here. I also think I picked up this brush from Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. Of course, I'm going to link everything in my description box if you guys are interested. But once I go ahead and melt the whatever junk or whatever, you know, stain I have in my refrigerator, I just go in with this brush, scrub. You don't even need to scrub too much, because the steam, you know, the steamer already, look at this, like it already dissolved everything. So all you basically need to do is just to go in, just scrub a little bit. If you want to go in with the steamer again, you just, you know, go in just to make sure the steamer gets everything out, and then you go in with your towel. I love to go in with this towel right here. Just make sure I kind of clean and also kind of get rid of any kind of residue or water of whatever section, you know, I cleaned. And whenever I'm cleaning my refrigerator, I always like to start from the bottom and then work my way up, like this right here. Oh my gosh, I mean, I don't even dread cleaning my refrigerator no more, because I know at most I just give myself 30 minutes and I'm all done. I mean, cleaning and organizing and everything, less than 30 minutes. Unlike before, I used to spend maybe an hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours cleaning my refrigerator. Like this particular gadget right here, it kind of does the job, because like there is no struggle, there is nothing to, you know, do again. Once it goes ahead and dissolves whatever residue you have on your refrigerator, all you just need to do is to go in with your towel and just dab it off. If there is any more kind of maybe particle you need to scrub, you just go in with your brush, scrub, and that's it. Honestly, who doesn't like a clean and well organized refrigerator, guys? Oh my gosh, like I feel so good whenever I open my refrigerator. Like I would say, after like cleaning and organizing my refrigerator, it probably lasts maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, and then the kids, you know, they get to read again. But just those few, you know, weeks, it kind of stays really, really organized and clean. It just gives me this kind of joy. But anyways, you guys, can you see how that chocolate, I don't know who left chocolate, you know, on the hand of the refrigerator, but you saw how that chocolate just melted off with that steamer. Oh my gosh, you guys, like this steamer is just my heart and my soul when it comes to cleaning. And this is not just for your refrigerator alone. You can use it in your bathroom, you know, if you have a bathtub, if you have a standing shower, you know, you can use this particular gadget, you know, the steamer any and everywhere. And once I'm done cleaning the refrigerator, I'm also going to go in with this steamer. And I had some particles, you know, that were stuck on this particular compartment, so I used the steamer to quickly get rid of, you know, those things. And also I went in and washed all the compartments, because of course the refrigerator is clean and you want to make sure you also wash the compartments, because oh my gosh, they were so filthy, like they were dirty just like the refrigerator. So I just take my time and clean all the compartments, make sure I wipe them, I dry them, and then feed them right back into the refrigerator. But yeah, you guys, if you're finding this video helpful, kindly hit that like button below, because you guys know, like I always say, it's very, very helpful. Like you guys, like liking my videos, let me know, oh my gosh, they enjoyed it, you know. And of course, you guys know creating content is not a child's play. Honestly, you see it, it's so easy, but I promise you it's not. All right, so once I'm done with cleaning, I'm just going to go ahead and put them all back into the refrigerator. I'm going to put the sides. For some reason I forgot which side is supposed to go where, so I had a little issue doing that, but I later figured them out. All right, so now I'm going to start from my fruits and veggies, and for right now I'm going to go ahead and quickly wash my apple. I kind of love washing my fruits, because you know the kids, guys, like they just go into the refrigerator, pick up the fruits and straight into their mouth. So I always want to make sure that, you know, I clean them, especially once I clean my refrigerator. I know the refrigerator is clean, the compartments are clean, whatever storage unit I'm using is clean. So I just want to also make sure that the fruits and veggies are also clean. So once I go into the refrigerator, I bring them out and I start using them to cook, or I just pick it up and start eating instead of going back to go wash them again. So as you all can see, I washed my apples, my strawberries, and now I washed my pepper. I'm washing my tomatoes, just kind of clean them to make sure they're, you know, they are all clean, nice and clean. And then also I'm going to go in and clean my grapes, just, you know, clean everything before then we go ahead and put them where they're supposed to belong. Of course, when it comes to my refrigerator cleaning, guys, this right here is my favorite. Like when it's time to organize, I absolutely love it. Just being able to look at all the colorful fruits and veggies. Oh my gosh, guys, like they gladden my heart. So for this container right here, actually, the containers are also from Amazon. I'm going to link them in my description box. But for this particular container right here, I went ahead and added my apples. And as you all can see, I always put some paper towel under the container before then putting the whatever it is I want to put. The reason is because, as you all saw, I washed the fruits and veggies. So you want to make sure that you put something, you know, under the container, so that way it will help with drying whatever water, you know, that are on the fruits, because you guys know some fruits don't do well with water. You don't want them to start kind of getting bad quickly. So you want to kind of wipe them down with paper towel, and also feed some paper towel inside the container, so that way it will help to drain out whatever water is left on the fruits and veggies. And you guys, please, you know the drill. You guys already know that I'm so used to saying, you know, and kind of, so please pardon that. But anyways, on this particular container right here, I put in the kids fruit salad and all their fruit cup, and also their yogurt. This is basically kind of what they use for their lunch in school. They just, you know, throw these inside their school bag. So I just decided to put everything in one container. And then over here, this is kind of my cheese container. So I added my Parmesan cheese, some cheese, you know, some cheese sticks and all those good stuff. And on this one right here, I have my peanut butter, I have my mayonnaise, and also I think some sweet relish. I put those ones in here, so kind of it helps to section off and also compartment, you know, every single thing. Like everything has their own place to be, kind of. So on this one right here is AC's fruit or his baby food, so I put those in there. And then on this one, you guys can see is for the eggs, also from Amazon. So I just put my eggs in here, and oh my gosh, this just makes everything unified instead of having all those brown egg container, you know, inside the refrigerator. I absolutely love this container right here. All right, for this particular one, I picked up these bottles from, I think, Home Sense or Home Goods, and this is just so perfect for, like, if you want to add your orange juice, if you want to add your apple juice, if you want to add your milk. I find this so kind of easy, you know, unlike having all these containers in the fridge. Like, I don't want to see no container, like all this milk container and all those things inside my refrigerator. I want to be able to, you know, have everything very nice and unified. That's why, you know, I transferred the juices and the milk inside the bottle. And also on this particular side right here, and of course also using bottle is safer than, you know, using plastic or papers, you know, paper storage. So anyways guys, on this compartment I added my bread, and then on this one right here I added my vegetables, my lettuce, and also my spinach. So kind of everything is in their own on their own compartments. And over on this side right here, this is like the longest compartment I have, so I decided to add my water and also some Sprite. I absolutely love Sprite guys, so I always make sure I have some Sprite. And sometimes I'm not really a huge fan of Coke, but hubby likes Coke, and sometimes the twins, they want Coke, so I always make sure I have some water, some Sprite, some Coke in the house. So this section right here is for the drink, kind of the drink section. And then I'm going to go ahead and begin adding up everything. I'm going to add my eggs. I'm just going to put everything where they're supposed to belong. I just put in Ace's baby food. This just makes it so much easier. Once he's hungry, I just reach into the refrigerator. I already know where his baby food is. Like, putting everything where they're supposed to be just makes it so much easier to access your refrigerator. You can imagine when I started how everything was all mangled up, everything was all this disarranged. So before you can pick anything inside the refrigerator, you have to look kind of maybe take a second look, before you can pick up whatever it is you're looking for. But one thing I absolutely love when you go ahead and organize everything is it makes it so much easy for you to just access your refrigerator. And of course, it's also very, very pleasing on the eye. Like, look how beautiful this looks, guys. It just, oh my God. And then on this section right here, I'm going to go ahead and add up our smoothies. Oh my gosh, guys, the kids are so obsessed with this smoothie right here. And of course, also I'm going to add up our carrot and orange smoothie right below the smoothie I just added. All right, so on this side of the refrigerator is always my side, because you guys know I don't joke with my iced coffee. I don't joke with my coffee at all. So I'm gonna add my coffee bottles over there, and then I have some energy drink on this side of the refrigerator. But yep, you guys, I believe that is all there is to this video. Look how kind of organized, look how nice looking everything is. But yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And also, of course, I'm gonna link everything you guys saw me using today's video in my description box, so definitely try and check that out. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.